Hey guys, I'm at the Yerong Street level crossing in the Rock, New South Wales. This is a 2-gate, 2-signal level crossing on Main South Line, which sees trains from Melbourne to Brisbane, Sydney, and vice versa. It's a new crossing, somewhat. But this first signal here has a Western Cullen Hayes 2149A signal base, a Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanism, 6 UGL LEDs on 2 Western Cullen Hayes crossarms. You can see the 2 on the top there. A white with dark writing stop-and-red signal sign, a red background crossbuck, and a Western Cullen Hayes E-Bell, a flat gate, and 3 Siemens gate lights. That's looking through the Rock and towards Sydney. There's the bungalow. This other signal over here has a Western Cullen Hayes 2149A signal base, a Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanism, a white with black writing stop-and-red signal sign, 4 UGL LEDs on a Western Cullen Hayes crossarm, a red background crossbuck, a Western Cullen Hayes E-Bell, a flat gate, and 3 Siemens gate lights.